Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make comparison chart in Google Docs step by step. So let's begin. First open your Google Docs document and see this bar or column chart for data compare and use line chart time based trend. Example is go to insert tab, chart, use bar chart, then increase or decrease size. Click the three dot menu, open source, move, type your data, copy paste. For example, and edit chart. See this, change chart type, customize chart style, chart axis and title. Type your title here, then series, error bars, data labels, value or percentage, position, legend, etc. Then again go to Google Docs, update, see this result. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.